A few auto stocks in focus. To begin with Tata Motors, they have decided to shut down production at the Jamshedpur plant for 3 days starting 12th of November. Now this production shutdown essentially is in back of the fact that they are witnessing poor demand and they do not want inventory pile up at the dealers and that's why to meet that demand supply mismatch they are looking at a production shutdown. It could be a negative and a sentiment dampener for Tata Motors there. If you look at the counter, it's gained close to 57% in the last on a YTD basis. Also look out for Mahindra and media reports are indicating that Kuwait-based investment DAR is looking at selling 64% stake in Aston Martin and M&M is believed to have shown interest for picking up that stake. So an interesting bit of news coming in by way of M&M there. Also look out for Cairn India and the company in collaboration with its JV partner Rava Oilfields is looking at investing $100 million to drill deeper wells in the KG basin there. Now these deep water prospects in Rava Oilfields may hold as much as 350 billion cubic feet of recoverable gas. The drilling is expected to start in the second half of FY14. A bit of capex plan coming in by of Cairn India. Let's see how the stock reacts.
Okay, meantime, let's bring in Yatin as well to highlight the small and mid caps in focus. Yatin.
Well, I shall keep an eye on Gammon Infra because the company has shut its Mumbai container handling facility, which is there in one of the ports there because of the delay that we have seen to the extent of 3 years. Because of the 3-year delay, Gammon Infrastructure is facing a cost escalation of close to 1,500 crores, and because of this, the project has possibly turned unviable, and possibly there could be some delays as far as this particular project is concerned. Gammon Infra as an entity holds 74% interest in this particular infrastructure project, and there is a Spanish partner which holds the remaining 26% stake. The facility is now expected to start as late as March 2014, and possibly there could be further delays according to the news report that is suggesting this news. Coming then to Pantaloon Retail as well as Future Ventures, and an interesting development coming in here. The Pantaloon and the Future Group have restructured their fashion business. They will hive off their fashion business from Pantaloon Retail as well as from Future Ventures, and that will be a separate entity called Future Fashion, which will be separately listed on the stock exchanges. Do remember, Pantaloon Retail shareholders will get 1 share of Future Fashion for every 3 shares in Pantaloon Retail, be it the DVR share or be it the regular share. The 3 shares of Pantaloon Retail will get them 1 share of Future Fashion, and same with we have with arrangement we have with Future Ventures, wherein 21 shares of Future Ventures will fetch 1 share of Future Fashion. So clearly a big restructuring scheme coming in here. Let's see how the stock reacts to this development.